If very is your go-to word, it's time for a change. Upgrade your vocabulary and speak like an advanced English speaker. Let's transform your English with stronger, smarter words. Instead of saying very funny, say uproarious. Instead of very serious, say solemn. Instead of very brave, say valiant. Instead of very cowardly, say timorous. Speak with impact, not repetition. Very fast becomes rapid. Very strong becomes robust. Very weak becomes frail. Make your words more powerful. Very hot becomes scorching. Very cold becomes frigid. Very small becomes minuscule. This is how you sound advanced in IELTS. Very good to superb. Very bad to dreadful. Very happy to ecstatic. Very sad to despondent. Your vocabulary defines your level. Choose wisely. Very slow, lethargic. Very bright, luminous. Very dark, somber. And for sound, very noisy, cacophonous. Very quiet, hushed. Stop using very. Start speaking with precision. Practice these words daily. Use them in your conversations. And watch your English level rise instantly. Follow English with T5 for more powerful lessons. Learn smart and speak right.